When your freezer's full, there's nothing better than wild to table, especially when you're barbecuing. I'm here in West Virginia and I'm gonna make a beautiful Korean black bear taco. We're gonna keep it simple with some flavorful ingredients. The first thing we have to do is start with the marinade. Have a look at this incredible black bear. It's sliced thin. I'm gonna get it on the smoker, but before I do, I wanna add a little bit of flavor. We're gonna start with some dark molasses-filled brown sugar. With the canola in and that salty soy sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of coriander. This is freshly ground, 1 teaspoon in, and now it's time for the fresh ingredients. I'm gonna use some heat using the jalapeno, some nice fragrance with garlic, and then one of my favorite ingredients, coriander, fresh cilantro. Let's get them in. After 4 hours of marinating, these are ready to go on the grill. I've got enough flavor packed into these beautiful bear fillets that I can start to get the grilled flavor on. I'm gonna keep a close eye on that bear. I wanna make sure to just turn it once. 165 degrees is what I'm looking for to make sure that it's fully cooked. But now I need to make a little bit of garnish. So I'm gonna use some classics. I've got some cabbage and I'm gonna start by pickling an onion. I'm gonna take and slice a whole red onion and then pickle it right on the barbecue. After stripping the leaves from the fresh cilantro, I'm gonna roll it into a little bit of a little cigar here. That allows me to cut it relatively smoothly and evenly. It gets a nice even slice and allows me to get bite-sized pieces. You don't think Korean food without a little bit of kimchi or some cabbage. Have a look inside this bowl. I'm gonna start mixing these ingredients together. It's bright and it's fresh, but it's all raw. And one of the things that I wanted to do for this recipe is I wanted to pickle just a little bit. So what I did, let's have a look over here at the barbecue. First of all, have a look at this incredible bear meat. It is charred now. You can see those jalapenos, those flavors would all be coming together beautifully. Have a quick look at that. I've just turned it once. It looks incredible. Now look at this red onion. This has been simmering away and it is ready to go in. Now I'm gonna put that hot vinegar right on top and then I'm gonna get this cooled down so it's bright and it's fresh, but it's also pickled, and I'll get all those flavors pulled together. That is going to be an incredible topping for these beautiful, beautiful tacos. Now I've got something that is very savory with the bear meat. We're gonna slice it thin. And then that crunch from the cabbage slaw. But now I need something creamy. So we're gonna use these beautifully ripe avocado. We're gonna make ourselves a nice and rich, thick green sauce. It's gonna be bright and full flavored with cilantro, a little bit of heat, and just a little bit of sweet. I've sliced this beautiful bear meat on a bias against the grain so that it breaks up and it's nice and tender. And you can see that I've grilled the flatbread. It brings some more flavor and a little bit more char. The next thing I do is I build my taco. I'm gonna start with the bear, then I'm gonna use some of this beautiful rich avocado, put that on top, and then finish it with this incredible slaw. This combination of flavors is both sweet and acidic. It's rich in flavor, and you are going to love it.